Hello everyone, it's March 24th. I'm Dr. Adam London, Director of the Kent County Health Department. It's about 2:30 at this time. We're still waiting for today's updated sample result information from the state of Michigan. So far, we still have 1,328 cases being reported to us by the state of Michigan, with 15 deaths statewide. Here in Kent County, we have learned of a couple additional cases, bringing our Kent County total to 29 cases and 1 death so far. We've been hearing a lot this morning about crowding at our grocery stores and a rush for certain products at the grocery stores. And I really want to encourage you that this is not a time to panic. There are not problems with the supply chain of groceries going to our major grocery stores. And so we've all heard a lot about toilet paper. We can't figure out why everyone is in a rush for toilet paper either. But we know, and we've heard from so many suppliers, that there's plenty of toilet paper, there are plenty of food items, there's much more food coming all the time, and so there's no reason for anyone to panic or to rush and try to hoard the food they can at this time. It's really important that we do what we can to take what we need, but to leave plenty for others as well. And there's not a problem that we have to worry about with running out of food. So please, let's not panic. We're also receiving a lot of phone calls about the governor's executive order from yesterday, the stay at home, stay safe order. And we're hearing people wondering why some businesses are allowed to stay open and why others are forced to close, and maybe some confusion and people thinking that we should be, at the health department, should be moving to close additional businesses that didn't close yesterday. And so I want to make sure that you know that the governor's executive order is rather complicated. It really is. There's a lot to it, and there's a lot of gray space in it. The state has created a couple of email addresses that if you have questions about certain businesses, you can reach out to the state and they will answer those questions. We're going to include those email addresses in the text below. We continue, thankfully, to also get a lot of questions about how can I help? We are really blessed to live in a community where so many people want to help. And in this moment, everyone wants to make sure they're doing their part to help their fellow Kent County resident. And we applaud that so much. And I want to give you a couple of things today that you can do to help. First of all, donate blood if you're able. Right now in West Michigan, we are at a very low supply in our blood bank. Versity, that'sVersiti, is the organization that does our blood donations in our blood bank. You can reach out to them at 616-774-2300. Again, 616-774-2300, and they'll tell you more about how and where you can go to donate blood. You can also go to their website, versiti.org. The Salvation Army is also working with us as our donation central for medical supplies. And so many of you have said, I've got gloves, I have face masks, I have gowns, I have other pieces of medical safety supplies that I'd like to donate in order to help. The Kent County Salvation Army is doing that for us. They're located at 1632 Linden Southeast here in Grand Rapids, and they're open Monday through Friday, 9 to 4. And so if you have those supplies, including the homemade face masks, they're taking them. Please donate at that location, and they will make sure that those safety supplies are distributed to other organizations that need them so badly right now. And of course, if you need help, call 211. 211 is working right now to facilitate and to navigate all of these calls for help so we make sure people get the resources they need in this critical moment. And finally, I want to leave you with a little bit of homework. Everyone is starting to feel the pains of isolation. This is not easy, and it's not going to be easy for some time to come. So I want each and every one of you to think about the people in your circle, and is there someone who you haven't spoke to in some time someone who might really be struggling more than most with isolation right now. Reach out to them. Send them a text, a phone call. Reach out to them through social media. This is the time where we really should be reaching out to those who are the most isolated, who could really use some encouragement right now. That's something that each and every one of us can do. It costs no money, it's very easy, and it could change a life during this very difficult time. Thank you for paying attention to this COVID-19 update, and please continue to like and to share this Facebook page and these updates that we're creating for you. I'm Dr. Adam London with the Kent County Health Department. Thank you.